Okay, in this video I will create the Press API lesson. So now we create a new folder fetch API and open with VS Code. Now it's coming. Okay, firstly let's create an index.html and app.js and another one test.txt, same as we create in for the XXR record, but this is the different method for use it. I will using that style. Another one user, another file user.json. Inside this one we create the file. This is this Fetch API. I want to use material. This is for the JavaScript. Copy, paste there, and script 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 source app.js with link, and another one should be this CSS copy and put this above there. Inside this one I want to have the container. Inside the container h3 fetch API. Under the title we have the link. Not go anywhere. Class btn id button button 1 ge ticket te active tag get tag, and copy down to 2 more. Should be 3 button. 2 get this should be JSON. There should be API data. And that this one should be ID output div. We hit save. This tab txt tab cam come from tab file file. The tab come from tab file. For the user JSON, Control V, this one we have the ID submit, and this one I click. I will not type out. You can copy this one and save for this JSON. This also have to be saved. Now we got this. This time we should get from the text file. docu document.get element by id but1 button 1 as event listener. We listen on the click get text tag. Function name get tag. We create a function get text tag get tag and this time we should using fetch method. First tag dot tag file, we fetch this one, and fetch is for dot then view and function response eturn return red dot text tag. If it's JSON, we should put the JSON, and under the dot then another dot then unctr function. This should be data clg data data, and another one should be cache cache function error error. Sorry, we should console log clg we save. Now when we hit click on the button 1 is where print console log out our tab. Okay, we go to C. We F12 CD console, and this coming. It's a little bit shorter than the first from the XXR. The code from the XXR. After this video, I will change this to arrow function. But now I go to this time get from the JSON I will find JSON file doc document dot get element by ID. This ID I will take the second button 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 2. We have 3 buttons. I will take this one, get from the JSON button. Dot as event listener, listen on, click, get JSON function. Now we go to create a function, functr1 function, get JSON. We press first. Now we press the JSON. Oh no, it's user file. Dot JSON file. Under this one should be dot then. Dot then. UN function response. eturn return .json. As I talked for, if it's tag should be tag, if it's JSON should be JSON. And another one, functr1 function. This should be data. clg data. Another one should be cache. atc cache. unctr1 function. error error. clg error. When we hit save and go to C, an accepted token for JSON position is 0, syntax error. Okay, this should put as save. Go to, now we got our array. We got our JSON. Okay. and I don't want to console out there. I want to wrap in the output. That this one, let lat put schedule empty, and now data dot for each un function should be user out out put output plus equal. This time should be ul li inside this one $sign user dot yummy name. Now we go to output this one docu document dot get element by id out put output dot inner html is equal to output save. Okay, also console log, we got our name that we output. Oh, this one we not output inside there. We also have to create this one. This much easier than JSON. So document dot get element by id is output. Take the out put output id dot inner html is equal to the data. Save. And now we got there. If we hit there, is we got the JSON. Now we got from the external API. Got from external external API. Document docu document dot get element by id butt1 button 3. I want to take this button. Oh no, should be 3. Save. Dot add event listener. Listen on click. Dot guest extra and on external functl function get external press. We press from the URL JSON placeholder. You can type JSON placeholder is where out. And this one, we copy this one and go to our Visual Studio page. We need user, user. Now coming doc10 .tgn10 unctl function that respond turn red.json another one .10 functl function. This should be data and clg data. This should be .cat cache functl function error clg error error. We hit save. Go to our page. Now we got 10 user. Okay, it's working. So we go to output inside there. This one. Same as the above. Let ut out put output is equal to empty object. tr data dot for each fu and ctl function user ut out put output plus equal I will copy this one ul c to v to s save and we call there. It's not working for each. Okay, we not just output, so we go to output do cu comment dot get element by d get the out put output dot inner html is equal to out put output save. Okay, now we get it. The name, username, 10 username. Okay, we want to print all the same time. So we can click at there, change this output. It should be 1, 2, 3, save. The first output should be 1, 2, 3, save. This for the middle JSON, this for the tag, this for the last button. I can make this shorter than by using the arrow function. We take this one, Ctrl X, delete this one, Ctrl V. In front of this, i.e. rest is equal to this one, and document element. Take this one, cut it. For the function data arrow function to v for the error, cut this one and delete the function error arrow function to v to save. Now we go to C. Now it's still working. So if we're using arrow function, it will make shorter than. And there I also want to use the arrow function to add IE as response to V. For this, keep the data out. Arrow function is many lines should be left in the curly bracket, and this arrow function not including curly bracket, not including semicolon, not including this function, zip is format. I have format on zip, and this also I want to leave that out. Arrow function red.json JSON, and this one using the arrow function. This one arrow function zip. Okay, if the coastline is shorter than when we go to C, yeah, it's still work the same thing. Okay, tag file, JSON file, and external API. Okay, for this video, I will stop there. In the next, I will go to talk about the promise, ES6 promise. Okay. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell when I upload that you can see the video notification. Okay, thank you for watching.